Hey everybody, it's Thomas with Get Out Arizona, and you're watching another episode of Garage Talk, where today it's all about the channel. And first, I want to say thank you to all my subscribers. Whether you've been following us since the beginning, or whether you've recently just found the channel and decided to subscribe, thank you very much. I appreciate that support. The channel, as of recording this video, is at 1,029 subscribers, which means a couple things. One, we're at our 1,000 subscriber limit to be monetized, and two, we've been officially accepted into the AdSense revenue sharing program with YouTube. So I couldn't be happier. A couple things now. So as you watch the videos, yes, we are actually going to get paid and get credit from that from YouTube a little bit. And there's going to be a little heart-shaped button with a $sign. That's a super thank you button that YouTube allows us to have. Now, if you feel like buying me a cup of coffee or a park pass, you can hit that button and go ahead and make a donation. It's not required, but it is appreciated. So our next milestone is going to be 2,500 subscribers, and I know with your help and sharing the good word about Get Out Arizona, we'll get there in no time. Two, I want to say a big thank you to Adventure Cycling in Aurora, Colorado. Now, if you're in the driving distance, and driving distance to me is like half hour, 45 minutes, you need to go down there, okay? My good friend Eric Swanson is the proprietor, and he has an amazing group of guys down there working with him, servicing bikes, maintaining bikes, putting bikes together, helping people when they come in there to get a bike, all right? And they have been for over 2 decades. Now, road, gravel, mountain, commuter, pedal assist, they have it all, as well as accessories. So, if you need some help with your bike, if you're looking to purchase a new bike and you're in the Aurora, Colorado area, swing on in and show my buddy Eric some love. I would appreciate it, and I know he would too. Guarantee you won't be disappointed. So, thirdly, yes, we've got some gear reviews coming up. 3-footed monster magnetic mount for action cameras. Thanks to Philip Bloom for turning me on to that. I think this one is going to be it, my friends, and I won't have to worry about my Insta360 falling off the Tacoma when I go four-wheeling anymore, which would be nice. My Insta360 1X2 got beat to a pulp because the couple mounts that I tried previous did not work, but I think this one's going to be a winner. And speaking of Insta360, we are going to have a review of the Insta360 1-inch 360. Now, this camera came out a couple months ago. Philip Bloom did a great review, and so did Brandon Lee. But theirs was definitely geared towards content creation, using it as a B-roll camera, where I am going to be using it on the trail. And I haven't seen anybody do that yet. And I'm pretty sure it's because of the size of the camera. But the additional resolution, I think, is going to pay dividends when it comes to editing that footage and sharing it with you. So make sure you keep your eyes open for both of those reviews, and they're going to be coming within the next 3 to 4 weeks. Now, there's going to be a couple changes as far as what we have in the descriptions down below. A lot of those links now are turning into affiliate links. The reason why is I am now an affiliate with Amazon partners, okay, and B&H partners. So all those links will be clearly marked. There'll be no subterfuge there. I have to do that regardless, but so you can see, and if you follow one of those links as usual, you won't be charged anything additional, but I'll receive a small commission, which obviously helps out the channel and everything like that. So I just wanted to let you know, for those of you who do look down in the description, man, that list is going to increase over the next couple weeks. If you have any questions about that, just ask me down in the comments below. And lastly, we have a new partnership with Photo Forum here in Phoenix, Arizona. Now, really quick, I've worked at Photo Forum for almost 2 years now. Some of you know that, part-time, a couple days a week. I get to teach, I get to hang out, talk about photography, videography, you know, share with my customers. They get to teach me a thing or two, and I got a great group of co-workers. Photo Forum's actually been in business for 50 years here in the Valley of the Sun, which is pretty amazing when you think about it being an independent camera shop. And this partnership is going to allow me to bring you more gear reviews, as well as tutorials on how to use that gear, which I think is phenomenal. So a big shout out to Photo Forum. I really thank you for accepting that partnership. And yeah, it's going to be exciting, so stay tuned for that. All right, my friends. So as usual, the trifecta: like button, subscribe button, bell notification icon button, so you don't miss a thing. Follow us on social media. Those links are down below: the TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. It's the devil's work. but it's necessary to get the word out for Get Out Arizona, my friends. So again, thank you so much. I want everybody to have a fantastic day and a fantastic week. If you have any questions, comments, anything like that, just leave them down below in the comment section. I'll be sure to get back with you, all right? Have a great day, my friends. And remember, be kind to yourself and others. Be amazing stewards on that trail. And we have to ask, yeah, what are you waiting for? Get Out Arizona. We will see you on that next adventure, my friends. Take care, everybody.